So the Earth Day research is, we are the only ones that can help the Earth. And it's up to us to be able to do something on each of us, do something to help the Earth. And I don't want to tell you which issue to pick, but if you click on this, you'll get this document. And this document, you should be able to type on it right away. But listen, if you've already turned this in and you want to do a better job, or you can't type on it, then what you do is you go here to File, right here, and make a copy. Make a copy. Okay? And I've made a copy here. This one here is called the research issue, but what you'll see is something that says copy of. And that's okay if that's what it says. Okay? And you go ahead and make a copy of it. Click OK. Click. Okay? And you'll be able to type on that one. And so that one you'll be able to type your name in and your period, and then let's see what the assignment is. So the abuse of the earth is the ecological crisis. And the environmental issues, what can you do? That's the whole question. What can you do? Our planet is a durable yet fragile place, and many of our daily activities are causing damage that could fairly easily be avoided. Raise awareness. In honor of Earth Day, April 23rd, sorry about the date, it's April 22nd, but you get the idea. In honor of Earth Day, you will be researching an environmental issue of your choice. Now you get to pick any of these, okay? You could pick incineration, or planned communities, or acid rain, overfishing, the moose population decline, algae blooms, anything, any one of those. Now, included in your research, you'll have to say what the problem is, the cause, where is it occurring, who is affected, a current example of this problem, what can be done to reverse the problem, what are the consequences if nothing changes, and what can you personally do to help the issue. Anytime you do a search on any of these items, you need to save the website address. And I'll show you how to do that. Let's say that I'm looking up moose decline. Okay? And I go to this moose decline article here, and I clicked on it. And this part right here, this is called the URL of the website. Okay? And so what I do is I get a copy of it. So in my computer, it's going to be this symbol in C. Or I could just press this, copy. That's Control C on mine. But on yours, it might be something else. And I could paste that in. And so to paste it in, I could also click on this and paste. Paste. See? It pastes it. So you need to keep track of the websites that you use to find information. Okay? Let's say I went down a little farther and I chose this website also. Oh, this one and the other one. I want to copy. I'll show you copy again. Copy. And then go down and paste. Paste. So I'm keeping track of the websites that give me the information that I want. Okay? Look at the directions for the research questions. You must write in complete sentences. Each answer must have more than a single sentence answer. So that means 2 or more sentences to answer this. How did you research the problem? I chose moose decline, and I Googled the answer. I made sure the website was reputable. What is the problem? There you answer the question with 2 or more sentences. The problem is the moose are declining. Okay, so I would read about this and I would see specifically what some of the problems are, and I could write what the problem is. What causes the problem? Is it hunting? Is it lack of, in this case, is it hunting? Is it lack of food for the moose? Is it the environment's changing? Say what the problems are. Where does the problem occur? This one occurs in Minnesota and other places. Where does it occur? Who's affected by the problem? How does this affect people, and how could it also affect you? Give a current example of the problem. This is a great article because this gives an example of what's going on right now. Give a current example. What can be done to reverse the problem? So this is going to be an answer to what causes the problem. What causes the problem? What can be done to reverse the problem? Answering, how can we fix it? What are the consequences if nothing changes? Okay, if nothing changes, will the moose completely die out, or whatever issue yours is? Now, this one is the most important one, and that's why I've left a lot of room. What can you personally do to help this issue? And you go up there and stop people from hunting? No, but maybe you can raise awareness so that people know that there's an issue. Maybe you can talk to your family or teach people about this. Okay? I want to know, what can you personally do to help this issue? Okay? Then, once you're done with the assignment, you'll be able to turn it in. You'll be able to turn it in by adding your copy from your Google Drive or by linking to it. Okay? And then you'll turn it in. If you turned it in and you want to do a better job, remember, you can do that. All you have to do is make a copy of the one that you turned in, and that will be in your possession. You'll be able to type on that one. And then you'll be able to turn in a good quality assignment.